Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove shortcut arrow from desktop icons in Windows 11. Click search icon, type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator, click Yes to continue. Click and expand H-key local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand Explorer. Create new key named as cell icons under Explorer. Right-click new string value named as 29. Percentage win dir percentage. Backslash system32 / shell32.dll comma. -50. Click OK and exit Registry Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.